Today I'm going to be repairing this rust on the rocker panel of my 2000 Toyota RAV4. On this, the rocker panels are not separate from the body, so you can't just drill out the spot welds and weld a new one in. So I'm going to be cutting out the bad metal and patching in a new patch panel. Got a hole here too. Alright, so here's where I'm at. I've got it grounded down to bare metal where it's not rotted all the way around. And so I'm pretty much just gonna cut down to the pinch weld here and across. And then I'll make a piece of metal that fits into that same thing here. I have to go a little higher here. Looks fine. And then yeah, I'll go down to the pinch weld again. And next I'll cut that out. Alright, I cleaned it up a little bit more. Got it all the way to real, like, no rust metal. It's nice and smooth all the way around it. Same thing here. Okay, I marked out where I'm gonna cut. Alright, I've got all the rust cut out. Over here too. And now I'm gonna make patch panels. I'm gonna have to find more scrap metal than this, and then I'll go from there. Alright, so what I did is the old pieces of rocker panel I hammered flat so that I know like the size of them. And then I've got this piece of metal that's about the same thickness. And I hammered that flat too. And I'm just gonna trace out. I'm only gonna be able to do one of these with this. I don't know, I'll work on this piece now and then I'll figure out the other one. Here's my cutout of this one. Alright, so here's the piece I've got. I marked with a marker. Where the first bend starts. And I had to kind of notch this out a little bit. But I'm just hammering it on the vise here to get that bend the right angle. Once I get that right, I'll probably start these bends too. They won't be perfect, but I'll start welding the bottom in. And as I get to the top, I'll get it in better shape once it's on the car. So here's where I'm at right now. I got this piece bent up to match the hole, and then I'll start welding from the bottom and tap the top into. Alright, so right here I've got this just magneted up here. I'm gonna tack weld it over here and then kind of work my way down to get the bend just right, and then I'll do up here. So right now I'm just gonna get this lined up and then tack weld up here. Alright, I've got this tacked here, and now I'm just gonna bend it and work my way down. Right now. Alright, here's where I'm at now. I'm gonna have to like gap weld that there. I'm just working on making these bends up here now. Alright, here's where I'm at right now. Got it fully welded around. Kind of looks like shit right there, but once I grind it down, it shouldn't look too bad. So we'll see after. Alright, after some more grinding, not perfect, but not terrible. Starting to be the shape of it. I just gotta grind on the bottom here, all these boogers. Maybe I'll put some more weld there to fill that in. And then the rubber, I'm gonna do rust reformer over it and then a rubber undercoating, maybe, to try to match this. And so that should fill in some of the cracks anyway. Alright, I've got it all ground down all around it. I took sandpaper to the edges here, get kind of smooth around. It's not perfect, but I'm hoping that what I paint it with kind of makes it good enough. So now I'm gonna work on the other patch. Here's this piece. I've got the paint kind of sanded off a little bit, and now I'm gonna start bending it to shape, and then I'll start welding it. Got this piece starting to weld it in. Just got to do the top. Alright, I'm at the point now where I'm ready to paint. Got the car all masked off. Don't want overspray on nothing. Yeah, I'm gonna get painting. Alright, the first coat I did rust reformer. Got my first coat of that on there, looking good so far. And then I'll do a second coat of this in a little bit. And then after that dries, I'm gonna do a rubber stuff over it. After I painted it with the rust reformer, I did one coat of this. And this is the final result. I'm pretty happy with it. Looks like new, almost. I haven't washed it yet, but I mean, this part you can't even tell where I did it at. Right there, and then back here is a little more noticeable, but yeah, I'm happy with it. So that's how you patch a rocker panel for free.